Precision screwdriver set, SHOWPIN 122 in 1 computer screwdriver kit, laptop screwdriver sets with 101 magnetic drill bits, electronics tool, kit compatible for computer, tablet, PC, iPhone, PS4 repair. Powerful functions. 122 in 1 precision screwdriver set contains 98 screwdriver bits, 3 torx TR screwdriver bits and 21 auxiliary tools, such as screwdriver handle, flexible shaft, extension rod, magnetizer, magnetic pad, cleaning brush, etc. On this toolkit, you can replace the battery, screen and other parts of the smartphone, tablet, laptop, and upgrade the hard disk and performance of the computer and PC, disassemble and repair PS4, Xbox and other game consoles, repair drones, cameras, etc. Practical repair tool. This electronic screwdriver set is professionally designed to maximize your repairability. The screwdriver handle is ergonomically designed, with non-slip particles outside, easy to exert force and rotate smoothly. The 4.56-inch alloy steel extension rod has high hardness, not easy to bend, suitable for narrow gaps. 5.11-inch flexible shaft is composed of CRV springs, which can be bent 180 degrees and rotated 360 degrees, helping you easily deal with complex disassembly environments. Quality first. The screwdriver bits in this laptop repair toolkit are made of CRV steel. After high-temperature treatment process, the hardness can reach 60 HRC, stronger and not easy to damage, suitable for long-term use for repairing electronics. This computer repair kit is equipped with spare bits for frequently used models, such as Phillips, slot, tri-point, to avoid the need to find a new bit or replace a new screwdriver set if the bit is lost or damaged. With professional storage case and magnetizer. This computer toolkit comes with a shock-proof plastic storage box. Each screwdriver bit is well placed in the corresponding slot, easy to find and store. The included magnetizer can easily enhance the magnetic properties of the screwdriver bit. The 5.73.3-inch magnetic pad can absorb small screws and tiny metal parts. No worry about losing screws or damage electronic components due to strong magnetism. Excellent service. This screwdriver repair kit provides a 90-day refund and lifetime warranty. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We will provide you with the best solution within 24 hours. This screwdriver set is designed for disassembled and installation. Even an amateur can easily repair electronic devices, making it a great gift for your husband, father, son or friend. Bring them the surprise and fun of maintenance. Package included. 1 case include 3 special torx TR bits, 98 bits, 1 handle extension bar, 1 flexible extension shaft, 1 hexagonal sleeve socket for cordless drills, 1 tweezers, 3 pry crowbars, 8 triangle pry tools, 1 magnetizer, 1 SIM card pin, 1 suction cup, 1 screw magnetic pad, 1 dish rag, 1 brush, 3 special S2 steel bits, torx TR T6H, 8H, T10H, 98 CRV steel bits, hexagon H0.7, H0.9, H1.0, H1.3, H1.5, H2.0, H2.5, H3.0, H3.5, H4.0, H4.5, H5.0, H6.0. Schlitz SL1.02, SL1.32, SL1.52, SL2.02, SL2.52, SL3.0, SL3.5, SL4.0. Phillips pH 00002, pH 0002, pH 002, pH 02, pH 12, pH 22. Torx T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10, T15, T20. Torx TR, T6H, T7H, T8H, T9H, T10H, T15H, T20H, T25H. Y-type, Y0.6, Y1.52, Y2.0, Y2.3, Y3.0. Pozidriv PZ000, PZ00, PZ0, PZ1, PZ2. Pentagram 0.82, 1.22, 1.5, 2.0. Triangle 2.0, 2.3, 2.7, 3.0. U-type U2.3, U2.6, U8. Square S0, S1, S2. Mid 2.5. pH2, pH2 sim eject bit 0.8. Mini torx sockets MT3.8, MT4.5. Mini hexagon sockets MH2.5, MH3.0, MH3.5, MH4.0, MH4.5, MH5.0, MH5.5.